Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy dip for vegetables. Let's dive right into creating a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for any occasion. This easy method will transform your vegetable platter, making healthy eating both simple and enjoyable. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a flavorful dip that everyone will love, encouraging more fresh produce in your diet. To start, you'll need just a few fresh ingredients. The star of our dip is plain Greek yogurt, offering a creamy texture and a protein boost. Next, select your favorite fresh herbs. Dill, chives, or parsley work wonderfully to add vibrant flavor. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten the entire dip, balancing the flavors beautifully. These simple components create a truly delightful experience. Now for the quick mixing steps. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt with about 2 tablespoons of your finely chopped fresh herbs. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a small pinch of salt to taste. Using a spoon or whisk, stir all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended and smooth. This simple process takes just moments to complete. Your healthy vegetable dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with an assortment of your favorite fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, bell peppers, or cucumber slices. Any leftover dip can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. This dip is a fantastic way to make healthy snacking exciting and delicious. And hey, before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.